Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.